Welcome back, hackers and pen testers. I'm thrilled to have you joining us today for another exciting episode in our hands on journey through the world of cybersecurity. If you have been following along, you know that we are all about practical cybersecurity and we are diving into hands on challenges and providing you the practical solutions. And you also know that our goal is to guide you from beginner to pro. So we are back on the Hack This site. In this video, we are taking fourth challenge of the Hack This site, bit more advanced than we have seen so far. Just for reminding first time viewers, make sure you log in with your Hack This site account. It's your gateway to this fantastic hands-on exercise. Okay. So you can see here, if you don't log in, you can see the URL hackthisSite.org and you can log in here if you have account already. If no account, then you can register also if this is the first time. Once you are in, you can head over to challenges section. You can see here downside challenges section, and in that right now we are on the basics. Today we are diving into fourth. An email script has been set up which is send the password to the administrator. So take on these challenges, you will need some more HTML knowledge, and obviously we require email address because the admin set the password with the email script. So we are all set. I hope you also have the HackThisSite account, and obviously you have also email ID and the HTML knowledge. If I talk, then you already learn because we cover in this previous challenge. You can see here also require HTML. We cover the basic HTML. In the last lab 3 also we cover the HTML knowledge. So here we can directly ready to go. So let's open this basic for lab. Now let's talk about challenge itself. Here what? This time Sam hard coded the password into the script, and however the password is long and complex, and Sam is often forgetful. You know that guys. In cybersecurity, or if we talk about the high level security, we need to configure the password which is complex and long. But lots of human not easily able to remember that long and complex password. And same scenario here. So what he wrote a script that would email his password him automatically in case he forget. Like what? Let's say if you forget the password, if you take example of Gmail, Facebook, any other account. So when we forget the password, we have the option click on forget password. On that time, they send us link, and that link have a access to change the password, reset the password. While here what? Here it is not the global account like Gmail, Facebook, Instagram, global account. Data, password, everything stored in the server. So we don't have directly authority to check the password from that. But here it is an administrator. So what? He write a script, understand properly. He write a script that would email his a password automatically. Okay. So it is sending the original password in case he forget. And here is the forget script. Here you can see there is a button send the password to the same. So if I click here, what you find? Password reminder successfully sent. But where? In the same email ID. What is same? Who is same? A network administrator. And that is not our required concept. Here what? Password sending to the same email ID. SAM, same. Not we know the password till now. Okay. So how we type the password or how we crack that password? So what is thing? Try to understand properly that it is a script. In this button there is a script which is sending password to the same. So what's our job here? To navigate through this script and understand how it works. So let's jump right in the start solving these challenges together. I will guide you step by step explaining my thought process as we progress. So first we'll take a close look at the website HTML code and gather its hints or initial insight. How we can open the script? Right click and we have the option view page source. If you want to open source code in the different page, and if you want to check together, then what? Inspect. This will open this here, and you know that what happened wherever I am moving the cursor, it will show me here left side that what content is reflected in the real side. This is what backend HTML code, and this is front end visible to user. So this paragraph is here, you can see, then break new line, then break new line and center word, and here you can see form. Form have a missions, basics. The path is showing level 4. Okay, it's not 14, it is LEVEL 4, level 4 PHP. You can see this mission basic and 4. and here method is a post. And whatever that method, our focus is what you can see input button. Input type is hidden, that's why it is not visible. Same thing you can also find in our last level 3 lab. Okay, and name what to what to is a connection where they want to send value is what same at the HackThisSite.org. This is what this is the same email ID. Same created a script. Okay, or wrote a script that would email his password to automatic link it in case he forget. So this is the same email ID. So we don't need to hack this email ID. Obviously, here we need to solve this. So this script is saying that if anyone click this button, you can see submit button. If anyone click this button, send password to same. Okay, this is what a visible text only. But in background action is this email sent to this email ID. So what we can do, we can try that if I put my email ID here, what happen? Let's see. Is mail going to send to my email ID or if I receive the email in my email account? Let's see. So we'll try to change here. So as you know, this is what my account ns.nikungohil. Okay. So same here, we just do the double click and try to type nh.nikungohil@gmail.com. Enter. And now I'm clicking on this button and let me see what happened. I'm closing this and send. So you can see this time we see some different notification. What it is saying, password reminder successfully sent to this email ID. But there is also not what if this is not the email address on HackThisSite profile, no email will be sent actually. That means what? This HackThisSite also are care about their security. They providing us a platform for practice. It's not like that this platform itself got hacked by practicing. So what it is saying, email ID only you can type that email ID which is this profile login. That's why I type the same. Otherwise, other email ID also I have, or we can create some temporary email, fake email like that. But it will not work. It is clearly mentioned that if this email ID not attached with your profile, then no actual email set. But right now, this is the right email ID. You can see here we have the inbox. Already Gmail is login. Let's see here. Do we get the mail from HackThisSite? No, we don't have that. Let's refresh. Yeah, it's taking some time. You can see same email we are getting. From where? Same at the HackThisSite.org. But and you can see same here is your password. So we got the password. Just copy this password, right click, copy, and go to the lab. Just coming back. Here is the lab. Right click and paste. Okay, and we can click on the submit button. If you have any doubts that I am typing any other password or anything, again you can do the right click, inspect. You can select this section. So what you can input type is password. I show you this in the first lab also. You can convert this into text. So password is visible. FA3E. You can check in the mail. FA3E AEFC. AEFC. It is the same. Okay. So this also you can type change this. But let's make it as it is password. So again it's become dot dot. This have also input type we can change with the HTML and submit it. Congrats. Congratulations. This kind of message we get that you have successfully completed the lab. So we have successfully completed the challenges and understood the email script. Remember, each challenge is opportunity to grow your cybersecurity skills. It's not like small. Again, I'm just repeating one line which I also told in the last video that if you are a experienced people, then maybe you find it is a simple lab. But as I told you, our goal is to make you from beginner to pro. So if you are a beginner, this might be again challenging for you. So what? That's a wrap up. I hope you found it excited. And what? I encouraging you that give this challenge to suit you on. And remember, you can always share your experience, questions, or thoughts in the comments. We are all here to learn and grow together. Stay tuned because there are lots of more exciting contents coming your way. Thanks for joining today, and I will see you in the next video.